AquaSure Harmony Series Whole House Water Softener with high-efficiency digital metered control head, rated to treat 32, 48, or 64,000 grains of hardness. Built-in advanced digital control console allows precise backwashing, saving hundreds of gallons of water. Equipped with advanced digital on-demand meter control head, durable 1-inch bypass valve, and quick connect components. Constructed of high-strength, corrosion-resistant fiberglass lined polyethylene, pre-filled with premium-grade quality resin. Protect your home and reduce hardness in the water. Engineered to provide soft, scale, and spot-free water to every bathroom shower, kitchen sink, and appliance. Enjoy the benefits of cleaner and softer laundry, less irritation on your skin and hair while washing and showering, and less damage to your home and plumbing. Get your questions answered pre- or post-purchase with our AquaSure certified support team.